No, this is where the beach is.
Oh.
We'll figure that out on the way out. Wow. We are the only ones here. I told you. Fakistra. No, I thought for sure we'd be here by ourselves. Like at least to start the morning. Here, on my side. There you go. No. So I'm gonna snorkel through this in a minute. Damn, it's fucking clear. There's the two people. It's the meatballs. Wow, this is cool. Oh, there's the waterfall. Or there's a waterfall. Nah, not really. I wouldn't call that a waterfall. I said not much of a waterfall right now, but it's always neat taking pictures of this stuff and slowing down the water. Fakistra. We were the first ones on the beach this morning. And this is definitely a cool. Got some great drone video, I think. Some beautiful shots of my wife. We saw a guy lay in the mud by the make sure you bring some water, because there ain't nothing down here. And yes. You better be a little bit of thick coming up here.